Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a heavyweight showdown between the QIDI MAX3 and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be faster than a speeding filament. First up, let's talk speed and performance. The QIDI MAX3 is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, with its 600 mm per second max speed and 20,000 mm per square second acceleration. Reviewers love its lightning-fast printing speed, saying it's perfect for large projects. But wait, the Ender-3 V3 isn't a slouch either, clocking in at 500 mm per second with 8,000 mm per square second acceleration. Users appreciate its strong and accurate prints, even at high speeds. Both are fast, but if you want to print your kid's science project in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee, QIDI MAX3 takes the cake. Next, build and stability. The QIDI MAX3 is built like a tank with its all-metal frame, 6 mm aluminum heat bed, and 10 mm hardened steel shafts. Reviewers say it's incredibly stable and durable, able to handle even industrial tasks. The Ender-3 V3, on the other hand, has a robust structure too, but it's more like a reliable family sedan. Some reviewers mentioned issues with a shaky gantry, but it's generally seen as a solid, reliable machine. For sheer durability and the ability to double as a piece of gym equipment, QIDI MAX3 wins this round. Now, let's get versatile. QIDI MAX3 is like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. It can handle everything from PLA to carbon fiber. Reviewers appreciate its versatility for various projects and materials. The Ender-3 V3 is no slouch either, handling Hyper-PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and ASA like a champ. Users love its ability to experiment with different filaments without breaking the bank. For overall versatility, QIDI MAX3 takes it, but if you're on a budget and still want to experiment, Ender-3 V3 is your go-to. Let's talk user experience. QIDI MAX3 comes fully assembled and ready to rock out of the box. Plus, it has auto-leveling and an enclosed chamber to keep your prints toasty warm. Reviewers rave about its user-friendly features and ease of setup. Ender-3 V3 also steps up with an intuitive touch UI, real-time model preview, and 3 ways to print. Phone control. It's praised for its easy assembly and advanced features. For ease of use and user-friendly features, it's a tie, folks. Both printers make the experience smooth and enjoyable. Overall, reviewers find the QIDI MAX3 to be a high-performance, versatile, and durable 3D printer, perfect for both hobbyists and industrial settings. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is celebrated for its affordability, speed, and ease of use, though it has some minor build issues that can be fixed with modifications. So there you have it, folks. The QIDI MAX3 is a beast with speed, stability, and versatility, while the Creality Ender-3 V3 offers great performance and user-friendly features at a fraction of the cost. Which one should you buy? If money is no object and you want the Ferrari of 3D printers, go for the QIDI MAX3. But if you want a reliable, feature-packed printer without breaking the bank, the Ender-3 V3 is your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing smart.